Bullish Hedera cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 26 cents and 58 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept HBAR could reach 26 cents by 2025. Bearish Hedera market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Hedera presentation. Computer programmer Lehman Baird and mechanical chief Mance Harmon in the Hedera overseeing gathering contrived the Hedera Hashgraph. In 2015, Baird and Harmon sent off Swirlds as an essential coalition to build and run a live framework. Hedera, using its development, Swirlds turned out an association called Hedera, a while later renamed Hedera Hashgraph, through a reasonable obligation to impending symbolic contributions. Hedera Hashgraph has produced $124 million by selling its HBAR digital money in 2018. Hedera Hashgraph, which appeared as a confidential organization, expects to continuously allow different organizations to join the organization before it is made public later. What is the Hedera? The Hedera Hashgraph digital money, an exceptional sort of blockchain, is where the digital currency Hedera is found. Arrangements, dApps, and virtual monetary forms are completely energized by the Hedera Hashgraph. Another variety of the strong proof agreement calculation is utilized to help the Hedera Hashgraph, and the HBAR money gives motivators to value-based validators. Large businesses, including Deutsche Telekom, IBM, Boeing, LG, Google, T-Versatile, Nomura, and others, own and run Hedera. Hedera remarkable attributes. Rather than substantial proof for blockchains like Bitcoin, the Hedera Hashgraph network depends on particular interprocess correspondence. An organization of hubs utilizes a tattle strategy method shown to large companies like Google and IBM to empower fast, cheap exchanges on the Hedera conveyed record. HBAR claims the organization can handle in excess of 10,000 exchanges each second with a check and goal season of 3 to 5 seconds. Hedera utilizes a minuscule piece of the energy that the most notable blockchains do, with a typical exchanging cost of just $0. Ways to mine Hedera. The Hedera network depends on various strong hubs that discussion to one another utilizing the tattle convention to push late exchange chronicles from adjacent hubs out into the organization for inconceivably fast last settlement times. Note, to join the foundation, hubs that associate with the procurement of Hedera Hashgraph should be enlisted. Hedera Specialized Investigation. The investigation of items utilizing graph examples to confirm the HBAR coin cost forecast and different rules is known as Specialized Examination, or TA. It is a strategy for breaking down the market utilizing signals and uncommonly planned devices. Market members can involve this technique to distinguish equivalent opportunities for exchanging or venture and check the Hedera Hashgraph HBAR cost expectation. Ordinarily, specialized investigation depends on verifiable information about a resource, like market, turnover, and so on, which uncovered designs that can be used to foresee what is probably going to happen. The investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers is known as specialized examination. A market cap examination technique utilizes pointers made explicitly for the undertaking, contingent upon the conditions. Brokers and financial backers utilize this technique to distinguish amazing open doors for exchanges or speculations. Specialized investigation might be founded on past data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovered patterns that can be utilized to foresee what is probably going to happen. Signs of digital currency in view of specialized examination. Specialized investigation of computerized monetary standards can be directed utilizing an assortment of line diagrams and outline designs. Clients entranced by specialized examination can concentrate on the greatest cost, market cap, normal cost, most extreme worth, Hedera Hashgraph cost figure, or some other information related with the Hedera cost conjecture utilizing the basic pointers gave beneath. Ichimoku marker. Ichimoku is a pattern indicator that seems complex, however is generally straightforward. This singular Japanese marker was made to show support levels, show what is happening, and ready clients when a propensity is probably going to be switched. The stochastic pointer. The stochastic offers examiners a novel method for distinguishing cost changes by working out the distance between the ongoing map book esteem and the most profound low over the past X time frame. Then, this length is parted by the hole between the most reduced cost and the greatest expense during a similar time span. The line, %K, is first changed into the moving normal, %D, which is then projected on the rate K. An exhaustive model like crucial examination requires a strong handle of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, finishing essential examinations implies information on fundamental issues, being know all about valuation methods, and being able to evaluate monetary documentation. Moreover, it normally figures future improvement in utilizing data that is promptly open to general society, like an organization's earlier profit and higher benefits. Hedera current cost. Hedera is as of now worth 5 cents USD. HBAR has moved 2.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,141,491. Hedera is as of now positioned 39 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,375,205,702 USD. Hedera Value Forecast 2022. Hedera, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The HBAR cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 8 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 8 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. HBAR is supposed to have a base worth of 7 cents. Hedera Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Hedera HBAR cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of HBAR will before long outperform 14 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the HBAR's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, HBAR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 11 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 13 cents. Hedera Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 20 cents and HBAR might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. HBAR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 19 cents and a low of 17 cents in 2024. Hedera Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Hedera effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the HBAR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, HBAR will be green in 2025. The HBAR is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 26 cents, with a base cost of 23 cents and a typical cost of 25 cents. Hedera Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the HBAR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 31 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 29 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, HBAR has a greatest value worth of 32 cents. Hedera Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 37 cents. In the event that HBAR figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 38 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help HBAR needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 35 cents. Hedera Value Expectation 2028. While HBAR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 41 cents and a yearly cost close above 44 cents in 2028. Hedera Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Hedera will at last outperform its past ATH values